Let's make a cheerleader senior night photo collage in Canva that looks amazing and feels personal. Open Canva and then click Create. Choose Custom Size. Type here 3600 and the height will be 4800 pixel. Create new design. I will type the name of the project. Go to Element, scroll down and find Frames, Basic Shape, see all. Scroll down to the bottom and I will choose this trapezoid up frame. I will reduce the size and then duplicate. Go to Position and on the rotate, type here -37. Enter. And then place it here and duplicate again. Type here 74. Enter. -74 I mean. Duplicate again and type here -111. Enter. And then place it here. Now select this tree and group and then duplicate and type here -148. Enter. And then move it here. Alright, and then select them all and group them. Now rotate them. I'll place it here and drag a ruler from the top to here. Make sure they are in a line. Okay, I will increase the size. Now go to the text. Scroll down to Type Craft and type the name of the cheerleader team, for example, Tigers, and change the font to Freshman or the font that you want. Enter and choose this one. Change the color to the color of the theme. For example, I will make it red. Scroll down and I will choose text with outline. And the outline will be this blue. And the thickness I will set to 2. Enter. And then warp effect, I will choose this one. And then I will make it custom. Click here. I will move it to the top and I will move it to the bottom like this. And then add to design. Okay, I will place it here. And then add the photos. I will add this photo. And before we continue, I will change the background color. Scroll down, I will click see all. I will choose this one. And then go to Elements. And add a triangle shape. I will reduce the corner rounding. And then I will place it here. Increase the size. Like this. And I will move it to the bottom. And then send it to back. Go to Position, Layers. Select the group of frame. Click Stroke Style. And add a stroke. And then I will change the color of the stroke to white. Back to Position. I will move it here above the triangle. And then add the photos. And insert to the frame. Double click on this one. And I will rotate. Adjust the size and the position. Click done. Do it for the other photos. Alright, so now we have it. And then you can print it as poster or t-shirt. And also you can sell it as Canva templates on the marketplace. Alright, I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.